Yeah, and all these lovely ladies here, they're gonna help me tonight. It's gonna be really fun.
Awesome.
So just a brief for anyone who has not used the bands before or a first time user, you're gonna go ahead and, I like to slide mine on, but you can wrap them around. And you're just gonna go ahead and pull that nice and snug so that it won't fall when you tug on it. On the back of your bands, it will tell you how high to pump the band. And everybody here is just about done with theirs. Click that on. And I'm gonna pump mine up. And we're just gonna take that valve off. We were hoping for music tonight, but that was my fail for the day. So we're not gonna do music, but we are going to do a workout, and we're gonna do 18 different moves, and each move will last about a minute. So modify as you feel you want to. Nothing should be too difficult, but I have Holly over here with my gals. Say hi, Holly, and she's gonna modify for us. So we'll just go ahead and get started. This is a calorie burn workout, and it's gonna be really fun and pretty simple. All right. So we're gonna start with a step touch, and we're gonna move our arms, and you can just follow me. Are you ready? We're gonna step touch, just back and forth to begin with, nice and easy. Good job. Just warm up our body and our arms. Really simple. Let's bring our arms up. Good. Nice. Now, the thing I want to emphasize is keeping your core tight. When I say core, I mean your abs, okay? So that will help you with any move that you do. That's very important. And because it stabilizes the center of your body. So we're going to keep going here for a few more seconds. And let's go across the body with our arms just to mix it up a little bit. How are you feeling? Are you feeling a little bit of a burn yet? If you're not, then you can bring it down a little lower into a squat. Okay. And you can take your arms wider. All right, the next move, we're going to do a hamstring curl. Okay, arms back. Ready, go. Good job. Look at all my ladies behind me. They're so awesome. Simple. You can go slower than this. Again, you don't have to totally squeeze your abs, but just make sure that you know they're there, okay? So hamstring curl. If you want to take it higher, you can squat curl, but I want to make this simple. So when you're doing this exercise later, you could make it harder, or you could make it easier. You can step a little bit slower if you want. Okay, awesome. Let's bring our arms up for a few, just to get those arms moving. So you can feel that. You're going to start breathing pretty heavy here in a minute. And that's the point. We want to get our heart rates up, and we want to move our body in a way that feels good, but we know that we're doing something great. All right, the next one is we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a knee pull, and that's all it looks like. Are you ready? Go. Knee pull. Arms still are moving. Now, if I wanted to make this more intense, I would take it up like this and I would run, but we're just going to do a simple knee pull. Okay? You don't even have to lift your knees this high if you don't feel comfortable or can't quite get those there. So you could take them a little lower like this, just barely, or you could just walk in place if you needed to. How's everybody doing? Good. Yay. This is always different when you don't have music, but if you're at home or if you're playing this on the app later, then guess what? Put your music on. It makes it more fun. All right, we just got a few more seconds. How you feeling? Legs are burning. Legs are burning. They should be by now. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a squat reach. This is really simple, which is squat reach. Left to right. Ready, go. Squat reach. Again, keep your abs tight. We don't want your back to arch. And bring your arms overhead. You can always go faster or slower than I am doing. And as you can see, if you look behind me, these ladies are just doing things at their own pace, which is great. Good job, you guys. Let's just play music in our heads, right? Sing. All right, yeah. Good job. Yeah, who's got the voice, right? Let's hear a little AC/DC or. All right, good job. Just a few more seconds on this one. Squat, reach. Good. I love it. You guys look so good. The next one's going to be a little bit more simple. We're just going to move from side to side. And we're just going to do kind of a step touch. But we're going to bring our arms across. Okay? So I want you to have a little bit more movement in your torso when you do this, because you'll feel it a little more right through here, through your core. Okay? So do you feel that? You feel the difference when you turn? Makes it a little bit more, if you have back issues, you probably wouldn't want to turn as much, but this is a pretty simple movement. My goal here in designing this workout was to make sure that everybody had an option of something they could do. So we aren't getting on the ground. We aren't doing burpees. I know you guys are sad, right?
I already did my burpees today.
We're not doing mountain climbers. We're not jumping or doing splits in the air. Just simple movements. Good. All right. The next one, we're going to turn to one side and we're going to lunge. Okay. Just lunges. Arms down and up. As we keep the arms and the legs moving, remember, your knee should never go over the front of your toe. And I know you can't see that very well on the screen, but this is really going to make your legs feel that burn. We've got 40 seconds left, and at 30 seconds, we'll switch legs. We'll just turn the other way. How you guys feeling? Good. You feeling the burn there?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. I hope you guys are doing awesome at home. We're going to turn and switch. Just down and up. Knee should not go over the toe. Core is stabilized. We're just going up and down. Just a few more seconds here. Good job, arm modifier. If you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong. So that's the goal, having fun. Good. Okay, next move is we're going to just do knees. Just up with the knees, okay? And then we're going to move into kicks. 5, 6. Great. We're going to go into kicks. Ready? Go. Kick, kick. Just at your own pace. So you can move your arms this way. You can move them out this way. Good. Let's go back to knees. Up. Good. Holly just doing kind of a step touch in the front. Just to modify, we're going to go back to kicks. Kick. 2. Good job. You guys all feeling your breath is, your heart rate's getting up and running out of breath a little bit. The key is that if you can talk through it, then you're doing all right. If you can't, maybe you need to slow down a little bit. Okay, we're to our next move. We're going to do, step adduct. So these are our adductors, and we're just going to step and out, okay? Our arms are going to go out, down, down. Halfway through this minute, we're going to switch to the other side. Okay, so if you can't go out this high, no worries. Just, you see everybody behind me just modifying it as they feel comfortable, feel free to do that. Good. After a minute, you're really going to feel that. Ready? We're going to switch sides and we're going to go this way. Ready? Go ahead. Out. Sorry, that may not have been the best transition, but we're going to call it good. Good. And I'm not counting, so we're going by time. Great job. Okay, we're going to do what's called a repeater knee, which is like this, okay? Join me when you're ready. You can go faster or slower. Just keep your arms moving. We'll switch to the other leg halfway through the minute. Good. This is always a really fun one to do when you have some awesome music to keep the beat with. So make yourself a good playlist and just rock it. You know, do awesome as you're going. We're switching to the other leg. You can go faster or slower. Again, I'm slightly leaning forward, but I'm not arching my back. I'm keeping my abs tight. That's very important. My knee does not go over my toe. Just about there on this one. Good job. The next one is going to be a shuffle, okay? Just one foot, just back and forth. Okay, perfect. We're gonna touch the ground if you can. If not, then you just kind of go from here. You see what she's doing right here? She's just leaning back and forth. You don't have to hop, just move. This is meant to be low impact. Good job, you guys. 30 more seconds on this one. Are your legs feeling it? Yeah, let's hear some whoops out there. My one whooper. It's a little better when you got music. I'm just saying. We are having fun. Our heart rates are up though, right?
Yep. Oh yeah.
10 seconds. Four. Keep going. All right, next one. We're gonna go ahead and do a reverse lunge. Okay, with the knee. Sorry, a reverse lunge with the knee. If you need the chair to stabilize you as you do this exercise, grab a chair, okay? We'll do one leg and then the other. We're gonna do my very favorite one just next. It's gonna be awesome. If at any time you need to just get yourself a drink or scoot back a little, feel free to get a drink. Okay, other leg. Gotta watch my time. Reverse lunge with the knee. Good. If you're off balance, you can just move here. Just don't feel like you have to do anything wild and crazy. Super simple. Okay. Next one we're moving into is a curtsy. Woo! Okay, so curtsy is just basically that. You can touch the floor, you can just curtsy. I like to touch the floor to make it a little bit more challenging, but it's not required. Look at my ladies back here. Aren't they so cool? I love it. You guys are doing great, ladies. Good job.
Thank you.
You're so welcome. They might not like me after we're done, but this is really going to target this muscle right here, right in your backside in the gluteus. And you're going to feel that one. I hope. If you don't feel that one tomorrow, do some more. It's awesome. It's a great way to work those muscles that don't get as much. Good. We're going to do another repeater. So we're going to do it across the body. So it looks like this. Okay. My toe is pointed on an angle. So this is all it looks like. Plus, you get the factor of the core because you're doing a little slight twist. If you can't do the twist, just do like this or like this. Okay. Simple. If you can, great. We're going to switch to the other side in just a second. Good. Let's switch sides. Good. Make sure you keep your abs nice and firm on this. For sure, anytime you twist, we want the body to recognize that we're supporting it, not hurting. So if you have back issues again, This might be a little harder. Just a few more moves and we're there. All right. Next, we're going to move into like a plie squat. Okay. So your feet are going to angle this way. And we're just going to go up and down. Keep going. Talking is making me thirsty. You guys doing okay? I should throw it back to you, right? Sprinkle you with my love in the back. Good. You're working more of the inner thigh muscles on this one, which is super, super better. Like it's great. It's more than you would think it was. Who needs a thigh master, right? What? You what?
Floor exercises.
Oh, floor. Yeah. Good. See how you're moving your arms? You're engaging your shoulders. You're engaging your arms, your back muscles, all of your leg muscles, your butt muscles. All right, next. We're going to go ahead into a kick, step back. Kick, step back. Good. Modified would be here, right there. Great. Good. If you feel up to it, bring your knee up. If you've got issues with your hip flexors or your back or even your knees, make sure you modify accordingly. It's really important. Good. Okay, we're going to switch legs. And we're going to knee with this one and step back. Knee, step back. Good job, you guys. You feeling it?
Yes.
Your legs are going to be sore tomorrow. Just saying. So the other thing I should tell you is, if you want some 1 or 3 pound weights for your arms, when you're feeling stronger as you do this, feel free to grab some. Just need a tiny bit to engage those muscles a little bit more. All right. You're going to love this one. Let's put the other leg forward. I call it pull the weeds.
Oh, that's my favorite.
And you're just doing a single movement here. Like you're really pulling weeds. The first time I tried this movement, I'm like, oh, this is not hard. And then after I did it for a while, I was like, dang. So lucky for us, we're not actually pulling weeds and we're not hurting our back. But again, if you have back issues, this is one exercise that you might feel it. So modified could even be like this. You don't want to arch your back. You just want to go up and down. Oh, switching legs. Thank you. Oh, we got to get the other one. I really would like to do a minute of both, but we got to stay in our 20-minute limit. And I don't want you to get bored either. Good job, you guys. All right, the only muscle group we haven't hit is the calves. So that's what we're going to work into next, is a simple calf raise. Okay, so you're just going to come up on your tiptoes and down. And I'm going to bring you with your arms here.
Yeah.
Because again, I want to remind your shoulders that they exist and that your calves exist, okay? This is how I know a lot of times how much I've done if I do calf raises. I tend to Charlie horse easily, but if you hydrate well and get your electrolytes in and possibly some BCAAs, then you will help cut down on muscle soreness and recovery time will be better. And just simply by wearing your bands, you're getting that effect. We've got 20 seconds left. Can you guys make it?
Yes.
Woo! You can do it. Get those calves up there high. There's nothing better than seeing sexier calves, right? Those muscles just shine through. I love it. 4 seconds. Ready? You made it. Okay, I just want you to walk around a little bit, move your body. You can go ahead and deflate your bands at this point, but keep moving for a minute. Grab a drink and make sure, more than anything, make sure you stretch appropriately. And we've worked almost every muscle group. So stretch out thoroughly for even 10 minutes after you're done here.